Yes, now students, see next topic, simplification of fractions. Simplification of fractions here. So what simplification is there in these questions? Addition and subtraction together. So here the combination of addition and subtraction is there. Before what we did, addition. Addition of fractions, subtraction of fractions. Addition of like fractions and unlike fractions, unlike fraction with mixed fraction. And subtraction also same, like fractions, unlike fractions and mixed fraction with unlike fraction. So this we did, but here simplification of fraction again with addition and subtraction together. Here addition is there and subtraction is there, addition and subtraction, so we have to do together, okay. Then how to do? See, so whatever the fractions are given, first we have to take that fractions in a solution. What are the fractions given here? 2 1 by 3 is the first mixed fraction, and second mixed fraction plus 3 1 by 6, and third mixed fraction minus 5 1 by 12. So we have to add these two fractions, and so in that sum we have to subtract the third fraction. So then, so what we have to do, see here, all these are mixed fractions. These mixed fractions we have to convert into which fractions? Mixed fractions into improper fractions. We have to convert mixed fractions into improper fractions. Then how to convert mixed fractions into improper fraction? First we have to multiply these two numbers, means denominator with whole number. 3 2s are 6. That 6 we have to add to this numerator. 6 plus 1 7. 7 by this denominator we have to write 7 by 3. This is our improper fraction, mixed fraction into improper fraction, and after that plus sign, and here again we have to multiply here the same denominator with whole number. 6 3s are 18, and we have to add this numerator. 18 plus 1 19 by denominator, then after that minus. So again we have to multiply denominator with whole number. 12 5s are 60 plus this numerator 1, 60 plus 1 61 by 12. Then after that what we have to do? So we have to convert all these fractions into like fractions. How to convert given unlike fractions into like fractions? We have to take the LCM of the denominators. Denominators LCM we have to take 3 6 12 LCM we have to take 3 6 12. So here 3 6 and 12, these three numbers are divisible by 3. So we have to take 3 first. 3 1s are 3. 3 2s are 6, 3 4s are 12. Then after that this is 1, then we have to check these 2 and 4. These 2 and 4 are even numbers, these two numbers are divisible by 2. Now you take 2. This one as it is, 2 1s are 2, then 2 2s are 4. Here 1 is there, then after that here 2 is there, so we have to take 2 next. 1 as it is, 2 1s are 2. All ones we are getting. Now we stop here. Now you multiply 3 into 2 into 2. Then after that 3 2s are 6, 6 2s are 12. What is the LCM? 12 is the LCM. 12 is the LCM. Now, so what we have to do after finding LCM? So we have to take first fraction denominator. In first fraction denominator 3, in 3 when you will get this 12. 3 4s are, means we have to multiply numerator and denominator with 4, and after that second fraction denominator we have to take. In 6 table when you will get this 12, you have to check 6 2s are, means we have to multiply numerator and denominator with 2. Then third fraction. What is third fraction denominator? Third fraction denominator 12. In 12 table when you will get 12 1s are, so we have to multiply with 1, numerator and denominator. Then after that 7 4s are 28 by 3 4s are 12. 19 2s are 38 by 6 2s are 12. Here plus, then minus. 61 ones are 61 by 12 ones are 12. Now, all these fractions are like fractions. How? By 12 by 12 by 12. Denominators are same. Denominators are same. So, all these fractions are like fractions. Whenever like fractions there, then what to do? So, we have to add and subtract according to the according to the sign. What is the sign here? Here plus sign is there, here minus sign is there. If plus sign is given, then you take plus sign. If minus sign is there, then you take minus sign. So, then 28, after that plus sign is there, then 38, then after that minus sign is there, 61, divided by common denominator we have to take. What is the common denominator here? 12, 12, 12. So, one time we have to take that common denominator. That common denominator we have to take once. So, we have to take all the numerators with the signs. So, what are the signs? Plus sign and minus sign. So, that signs also we have to take. All numerators we have to write along with the sign, plus sign and minus sign that we have to take, divided by. So, here common denominator. What is the common denominator? 12 is the common denominator, that we have to write single time. Do not take 12, 12, 12. Do not add 12 3 times. Okay? Just to take one time in the denominator. Then, after that, what we have to do? So, we have to add these two, 28 plus 38. 28 plus 38 is how much? Okay? 66. 28 plus 38 is 66. 8 plus 8, 16, 166. Then, so addition of these two, 66 minus 61 we have to write by 12. Then, 66 minus 61, so it is 5. 5 by, now minus we have to find 5 by 12. Here we have to find the difference. First we have to find the sum of these two and minus the last one, and after that we have to find the difference. 66 minus 61 is 5 by 12. This 5 by 12 is a proper fraction. So, this is only our answer. If improper fraction is there in the answer, then we have to convert, but here already in proper fraction it is their answer. So, this one is our answer. 5 by 12 is our answer. Okay. Now, here see. So, simplify each of the following. So, first, second, third, 3 questions were given. So, in this we have to simplify. Here the combination of addition and subtraction is given. So, addition and subtraction, so we have to do according to the symbols given. If addition is given, we have to add, subtraction is there, then we have to make minus. Then what we have to do? We have to convert the given fractions into like fractions. Take LCM first. 2, 4, 8 LCM. So, all these are even numbers divisible by 2. 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4, 2 fours are 8. Again with 2, 1 as it is, 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4. Again with 2, 1 as it is, 1 as it is, 2 ones are 2. Now you multiply 2 into 2 into 2, 2 twos are 4, 4 twos are 8. 8 is the LCM, 8 is the LCM. In 2 table, in first fraction denominator 2, in 2 table when you will get 8, 2 fours are, multiply with 4. In 4 table when you will get 8, 4 twos are, multiply with 2. In 8 table when you will get 8, 1s are, multiply with 1. Then after that, 1 fours are 4 by 2 fours are 8, plus 3 twos are 6 by 4 twos are 8, minus 1 ones are 1 by 8 ones are 8. Then all numerators we have to take along with the signs. 4 plus 6 minus 1 by common denominator. 4 plus 6, 10. 10 minus 1 by 8. 10 minus 1, 9 by 8. 9 by 8 is an improper fraction. So, we have to convert into proper fraction. 8 divides this 9. 8 ones are 8 here. The quotient we have to take remainder by divisor. 1 by 8 we have to write. We have to take quotient After that, remainder by divisor we have to take. Remainder by divisor we have to take. So, this is the mixed fraction when improper fraction is given. Okay, when improper fraction is your answer, then you should convert the improper fraction into proper fraction also. Okay. Now, next the second question, 5 by 6 minus 2 by 3 plus 5 by 12. First what we have to do is we have to convert all these fractions into like fractions. For that we have to take LCM, denominator LCM, 6, 3 and 12. So, these all are divisible by 3, then 3 2s are 6, 3 1s are 3, 3 4s are 12. So, these are two numbers are even number, then take 2. 2 1s are 2, this one as it is, 2 2s are 4. Again with 2, 1s are same, 2 1s are 2. Now you multiply 3 into 2 into 2, 3 into 2 into 2, 3 2s are 6, 6 2s are 12. 12 is the LCM. Now, in 6 table, first fraction denominator 6 table, when you will get 12, 2s are 6 2s are, multiply with 2. In 3 second fraction denominator 3, in 3 table, when you will get 12, 3 4s are. In 12 table, when you will get 12, 12 1s are, take 1. 5 2s are 10, by 6 2s are 12, minus 2 4s are 8, by 3 4s are 12, plus 5 1s are 5, by 12 1s are 12. Then 10 minus 8 plus 5, numerator we have to take along with the signs. 10 minus 8 plus 5, by common denominator we have to write. Now we have to find the difference of these two. 10 minus 8, 10 minus 8, 2. Then after that plus 5 by 12. 2 plus 5 is 7, 7 by 12. This is proper fraction. Denominator is less than the numerator is less than the denominator. So, no need to change, already it is in proper fraction. Then after that, the third question. Here also we have to find the LCM of the denominator to convert the given fractions into like fractions. What are the denominators here? 9, 12 and 4. Then these numbers are, two numbers are even numbers. So, take 2 first, 2. This 9 is not divisible by 2. So, 9 as it is, 2 6 are 12, 2 2s are 4. Again take 2, 9 as it is, 2 3s are 6, 2 1s are 2. And these two numbers are divisible by 3. Now, you take 3. 3 3s are 9, 3 1s are and 1s are. Again 3, 3 1s are. Now, you multiply 2 into 2 into 3 into 3. 2 to the 4, 3 to the 9, 4 9s are 36, 4 9s are 36 is your LCM. In easiest way you have to multiply. Okay. So, whatever the easiest way, so that you follow, and that in that way you have to multiply. Okay. 2 to the 4, 4 to the 12, 12 3s are, if you do not know 12 triple, again it is difficult. So, 2 to the 4, 3 to the 9, 4 9s are 36, in that way you have to multiply. So, all are single digit numbers, then, so all students you know single digit tables. Okay. Now, after that, first fraction denominator 9, in that 9 when you will get this LCM 36, 9 4s, so multiply with 4. This first fraction, second fraction denominator 12, in 12 table when you will get this 36, 12 3s, multiply with 3. Then third fraction denominator 4, in 4 table when you will get 36, 4 9s, 4 9s, multiply with 9. Now, 4 4s are 16, 9 4s are 36, minus 5 3s are 15, 12 3s are 36, plus 1 9s are 9, 4 9s are 36. Now, so take numerators along with the signs. 16 minus 15 plus 9 by common denominator. 16 minus 15 is 1, 16 minus 15 1, 1 plus 9 by 36, 1 plus 9 10 by 36. So, these two are even numbers. So, then how to write? These two are divisible by 2. Then, so simplified form, write in simplified form. 2 5s are 10, 2 19s are 36, 2 18s are 36, 2 18s are 36. So, 2 to get cancelled here, 5 by 18, 5 by 18. So, this is our answer. In this bit, one more question is left. That question you do as your home assignment. Okay, students. Now, next, here in exercise 5th, second question, subtract the difference of these from the sum of this. So, first here, understand the question first, what he is asking. Subtract the difference. Difference means we have to find the difference of these two, and after that we have to find the sum of these two. From this sum, again we have to subtract this difference. Again we have to subtract this difference. Okay. First you have to find the difference. Three by 7 and 1 3 by 14 difference is 3 by 7, difference means minus 1 3 by 14, 1 3 by 14. Now, so we have to convert this mixed fraction into improper fraction. 7 3s are 21, we have to multiply these two. 7 3s are 21, 21 plus 3 24, 24 by 7 and minus 14 1s are 14, 14 plus 3 17, 17 by 14. Now we have to find the difference. First we have to convert this into like fractions. Find the LCM. 7 and 14 LCM we have to find. These two are divisible by 7, 7 1s are 7 2s are 14. Again these two, 2 1s are 2, multiply 7 2s are 14 is the LCM. In 7 table, when you will get 14, 2s are, multiply with 2. In 14 table, when you will get this 14, 1s are, multiply with 1. 24 2s are 48 by 7 minus 17 1s are 17, 17 2s are 14, 7 2s are 14 we have to write. 14 1s are 14. Now, 48 minus 17 by 14. 48 minus 17, 21. 21. 21, 31. 31 by 14. 31 by 14. So, this is the difference. This is the difference. Now, sum. Sum of 6 and 3 1 by 3, that is 6 plus 3 1 by 3, that is 6 as it is, 3 3 is 9, 9 plus 1 10, 10 by 3. Now, 1 and 3 LCM we have to find. 1 and 3 LCM is 3, 1 and 3 LCM is 3, 1 and 4 LCM is 4, 1 and 5 LCM is 5, 1 and 10 LCM is 10. 1 into any number, LCM is any number. Then in 6 table, when you will get this 3 in 1 table, in 1 table when you will get this 3, 1 3 is a, multiply with 3. In 3 table when you will get 3, 1 is a. Now 6 3 is a 18, 1 3 is a 3, plus 10 1s are 10, 3 1s are 3. Now 10 plus, add numerators, 10, 18 plus 10 by 3. So, which is 28 by 3. This is the sum. This is the sum. After that, from this sum we have to subtract this difference. This difference we have to subtract. From the sum, we have to subtract difference. We have to subtract the difference from the sum. What is the sum? 28 by 3. From this sum we have to subtract this difference. 31 by 14. Then 3, 14 LCM. 3 and 14 LCM is, so these one is a prime number, other one is a composite number. If one of the number is prime number, other number is a composite number, then the product only the LCM. 3 14s are 14 3s are 14 3s are 42. 42 is the LCM. 42 is the LCM. When we have to do this, so one of a number is prime number, other one is a composite number. One number is a prime number, other number is a composite number, then what is the LCM? Their product only the LCM. Then in 3 table, when you will get 42, 3 14s are, multiply with 14. In 14 table, when you will get 42, 3s are, multiply with 3. Multiply with 3. Here it is 14. 28 14s are, 28 14s are we have to find. 28 14s are, 28 14s are, here 28 14s are 392. So you have to multiply and check. This is 392 by 3 14s are 42 minus 31 3s are 93 by 42. Then minus numerator 392 minus 93 by 42. 392 minus 93, 299. 299. 299 by 42. This is the answer. This is the answer. If you want to convert, then convert into mixed fraction. Okay. This improper fraction you have to convert into mixed fraction. Okay, students. Now, here Sachin cut 6 1/3 meters of ribbon into 2 pieces. The length of one piece is 2 5/6 meters. Find the length of the second piece of a ribbon. Total ribbon length is given. So, what is total ribbon length? 6 1/3. In that, one ribbon piece length is given. So, that is 2 5/6. He is asking another ribbon piece length. Another ribbon piece length he is asking. What we have to do? Here total length is given. In that he cutted that ribbon into 2 pieces. In that one piece length is given. Then what is the length of another piece? Here in the total length, in total ribbon length, one ribbon piece length we have to subtract. Then you will get the second piece length, second ribbon piece length. Okay. Here we have to do minus. From where? From total length of a ribbon we have to subtract. So, first ribbon piece length. Okay, students, see here. First steps, total ribbon length, total ribbon length is equal to 6 1/3 meters. If you change this 6 1/3 into mix to improper, then what is the answer? 3 6 are 18 plus 1 19/3. 19/3 meters. Then first piece length, first ribbon piece length is equal to 2 5/6, 2 5/6 meters. It means 6 2s are 12, 12 plus 5 17, 17/6 meters. Second ribbon piece length, second ribbon piece length is equal to, from the total length 9/13. So, we have to subtract first ribbon piece length, that is 17/16. That is 19/3 minus 17/6. In this we have to minus. First we have to convert this into like fractions. 3 and 6 LCM we have to find. 3 1s are 3, 3 2s are again with 2. 3 into 2, 3 2s are 6 is here LCM. In 3 table when you will get 6, 2s are, multiply with 2. In 6 table when you will get 6, 1s are. 19 2s are 38 by 3 2s are 6. 17 1s are 17 by 6 1s are 6. then 38 minus 17 by 6, 38 minus 17, 38 minus 17, that is 21, 21 by 6, 21 by 6. Okay. Now this is divisible by 3, 21 means 3 sevens are, then 6 means 3 twos are, 7 by 2. 7 by 2 is in mixed improper fraction, change in mixed fraction, that is 3 1 by 2 meters, 3 1 by 2 meters. Second ribbon piece length is second ribbon piece length. Second ribbon piece length is equal to 3 1 by 2 meters. Okay. So in this way we have to find second ribbon piece length. Okay, students.